If you want to improve your InDesign layout skills, I created a complete newspaper assignment that you can download and practice with. And in this video, I'll show you what it looks like. This is a real A4 newspaper style layout, and you get the text, the images, and a blank template, my final version, and also a 25-minute walkthrough where you can see how I built this entire page from scratch. Most people learn InDesign by watching tutorials like mine as an example, but the fastest way to actually improve is by doing real projects. This assignment lets you practice columns, images, spacing, text flow, text effects, drop caps, and much more, and you're creating professional layout decisions all in one exercise. Here's a quick preview of the process. We start by setting up the document correctly, then adding in all of the elements like the text and images. We find the correct fonts and start to style this text so we get this professional layout. Then we're going to look at baseline grids, how to set that up. We're also going to style the headline and subheading, and you will get hands-on with adding space as well. Gonna create a drop cap and both place images and also use images effects like this. And you're gonna end up with this amazing looking newspaper layout. So this assignment is for beginners, design students, or anyone who just actually wants to build real layout skills or just improve them. If you want to try this out for yourself, the full assignment is actually available through the link in the description. It's super easy to follow, and you can compare your version to the professional layout I have created as well. Let me know if you want more practice projects like this. And yeah, I hope you have fun with this and want to try it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.